Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we are going to talk about Team Admin Central. How you can set up security, how you can set up things using Microsoft Teams Admin Central. So let me share my screen, and here you can see I already logged in Microsoft 365 using URL www.microsoft365.com. So that is what you have to use and use your Microsoft 365 login. So here you can see App Launcher. Click on App Launcher, and there you can see Admin. Click on Admin, and it will take you in Admin Central. And this is the home page of Admin Central. There you can see All. Click on See All, and there you can see Teams. And this is Admin Central of Microsoft Teams. And this is how you can access Microsoft Teams Admin Central. And this is the page. You can see admin.teams.microsoft.com. Whenever you are accessing only team, you can see teams.microsoft.com. But when you are accessing admin, you can see admin.teams.microsoft.com. In next video, we'll see what are the security, what are the features available in Microsoft Teams Admin Central.